If you hear a beeping noise coming from somewhere in your home, first, make sure it's not coming from one of the smoke detectors installed by your electrician. Test the alarm by pressing the button. If the batteries are low, replace them and plug the unit back in. If the noise persists, check your security system through either the keypad or your app. Any Livewire related issues will show up there. For Envision customers, our Network Operations Center proactively monitors your security hardware and will reach out to schedule service if needed. If none of these solutions work, then it may be time to have a professional come take a look. Contact us today to schedule a virtual or in-home service call.